Well, good Monday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home, the Sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, yes, it is quite chilly. It's in the upper mid 60s right now. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is it's bad when you got to take off of work to come home and work. Give me a second. I'm finna show you what I'm finna do. So my main heat source over here at my home place is my wood burning heater that I use in my shop during the winter time. So it's imperative that I keep a good bit of wood on hand for the winter months going into next year. So I normally keep about 4 or 5 cord of wood stored up, but I've been lacking here lately, mainly just because of work being so busy. And this week, since I'm off, I'm gonna tend to a whole bunch of things that I should have been doing several months ago. I'm here to tell you probably for about 3 or 4 years, maybe 5 years, I slung a splitting axe to cut all my wood. And as I got older, I was like, you know what? I don't need to be swinging an axe no more. So I'm gonna show you what I use over here at the home place to take care of splitting all the wood that I collect throughout the year. Let's go check it out. What I have here is a Dirty Hands 27-ton log splitter. I bought this probably 12 years ago. So being 12 years old, it looks really good. It has been used quite a lot. But I keep all of my gear inside. I don't leave any of my equipment like this outside in the elements. I keep it in the third bay of my shop. I done hooked it up to the mule. It's got a 2-inch ball down there. And this thing can actually be towed, but I wouldn't tow it out on the street. I mean, I hook it up to the mule and carry it around the property if need be to cut some wood. One of the really cool features about this log splitter, it's got a 6.5 horse Kohler engine on it. Another reason why I went with this brand is because it's got a really large ram. I think that's a 3-inch or 4-inch ram, and it's got a huge hydraulic cylinder. So this is what I use to cut up most of the wood, or all of the wood over here at the home place. Another cool thing about this splitter is it could be used horizontally or vertically. It's got a pin here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope, can't. All right, so this guy could actually be used horizontally or vertically. To use it vertically, it just sits up just like that. A lot of the times I don't really use it in this mode. I just use it flat because it works out better for me. And I just don't have a huge amount of wood to cut this go round. So we're gonna leave this guy in the horizontal position and we're gonna rock on. And it locks into position just like that. I'm gonna fire this baby up. The carburetor needs to be adjusted, so it is what it is. I'll get that adjusted here later. But I want to show you what this thing will do. So let's get to splitting some wood. Notice it sounds like it's got a miss. Got to get the carburetor adjusted. Let's cut some wood. Let's split some wood. All right, so in about a good solid 15 minutes, I got me a little pile of wood cut up, but I still have all of that left to go. But this will keep me warm for a couple of days anyway. I got some in this garden cart right here. But that's what I wanted to show you and y'all. What I use to split my wood over here to keep old Dan warm. Dirty Hand Tools, professional grade log splitter. That's 27 ton. So now it's time for me to get back to work and get to splitting up the rest of this wood. I hope my uncle comes back. He'd give me a hand doing it. But again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like splitting wood. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.